Hey, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install PHP 7 on Windows 10. If you are new here, please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. Alright guys, open your favorite web browser. In my case, I am using Google Chrome and type here PHP 7 download. Click on first link and you will see Windows download. Click on it and you can see this interface. There are a lot of options and you will see this two type of option, non-thread safe and thread safe. In my case, my PC's configuration is 64-bit, that's why I will download 64-bit thread safe. If your PC's configuration is 32-bit, then you have to download this option. So I'm going to download 64-bit thread safe. Okay, PHP 7 downloaded and I'm going to my download folder. Here is my PHP 7 file and I'm going to create a new folder, PHP 7. Copy this file, paste it here and I am extract here and delete this file and copy this PHP 7 folder and paste on C drive. Alright, open your PHP 7 folder and click on php.ini, copy that file and paste it here and just rename php.ini, hit enter button. Alright, now you have to create variable path. And go to edit the system environment variable. Click on environment variables, select path, click on edit and you have to click on new button. Okay and okay. Now let's check cmd php install or not. Just type here php version and you can see here PHP successfully has been installed, PHP 7.4.6. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel and thanks for watching this video.